Morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Good to be back. 11:45. Trump meets with Carney, Prime Minister of Canada. All right, cool beans. All right, we got a couple of orders out right now. Let's go over what we have out there, guys and gals. Good morning, Ozzy. First of all, it's a big shout out to Scotty. Thank you very much for covering for DG Friday and Monday. Everybody had a nice couple of days. Everybody is doing good. So let's just take a chill pill, relax. All right. So we're looking at gold. Those are the YouTubers who are joining us. We are mostly trading futures here. Good morning, David. Good morning, Pro. Everybody hang out YouTube. We'll give away some accounts later on. So we got a little gold down on our 200 EMA for a trade. If we spike down there, we'll give that a few minutes. 39.81 is our 200 EMA. So we're bidding for a little bit of gold down there. Below that, we got 39.62. Above that, we got 40.16. I think it crossed 4,000 for the first time ever last night, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. 4,001. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Last night, 4 o'clock in the morning, we just missed that pivot point by like half a point. Went up $30 from there. Wackadoodle. ESs, which are S&P 500 futures. Hanging out. Yesterday's high is 6,800. We got a little something up there in the MESs. Buy side, we're down at 82 by our VWAP. Down 10 points from here, all good. We have a lot of Fed speak today starting at 10 o'clock. No other news that we need to be aware of. So, looks like we'll get a little slow morning. Morning, Carol. Overall market, a lot of people waiting for the hammer to drop, but we just keep going up every single day. Here's the SPYs. Again, we are not stretched on a daily basis. I mean, we kind of are. 71 RSIs, traditionally a little bit high in the SPYs. Usually when we get up around this level, we get some kind of pullback. Here we were 72. We got a little pullback. Here we were about 76. We got a big pullback. So, historically high on a daily chart. Same thing with the weekly. Weekly, not as bad, but again, over 70 on a weekly chart. But you'll go broke trying to figure out when this thing is going to start going down. Monthly chart is way overextended. Yep, you want to see a monthly chart on gold? Check this out, man. That's insane. Yep. Well, I'm long a little dust. I tweeted it out for everybody. I don't know if anybody got it. We're long at $10.20 from last week. Friday, we tweeted that out. Just so everybody knows, anyone who's part of our family, you also get our Twitter sphere. We post swing trades and options trades. So we've been trading in and out of this thing for like a couple of months and just, taking a couple of bucks out of it here and there. So we're long small at 10.20 that I tweeted out, I think on Friday or Thursday. Dust is the opposite of gold. Gold goes up, dust goes down, gold goes down, dust goes up. So we have a little bit of that we've been trading around. What's up, Venturanza? App was in the news last night and this morning. This thing traded down like $50 last night. It's gotten it all back up to $605. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. We'll go over some stocks. Bitcoin's been on an absolute tear, all-time high after all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. Let's see if we're a little stretched in the Bitcoin. Yeah, a little bit. Well, we had our pullback on Friday. A little bit of a pullback, a couple of thousand points. But we were up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, 6 days in a row. And we had a little pullback. Not to be unexpected. But off to the races. Insane. Let's see. We got anything moving and shaking this morning we want to look at? We got TMQ up 243%. Why can't I ever wake up to some of these things? Jeez Louise. Because I don't mess around with them. $2.09. Trilogy Metals. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, it could be a little short at 850, but we don't mess around on the short side of those things. This is not worth it. NVIDIA, hanging. Spies. How's our Tesla boy doing this morning? Down a little bit. How's we looking on a daily chart in Tesla? A little messy. Oil, what are we doing in oil this morning? Take a peek, see. Kind of hanging, just went down 20 cents. Previous day low is 61.04. That's down 50 cents from here. Yeah, let's put a little something out of gold down on our previous oil down on our previous day low. MCL 6104. We'll put a couple of little dingers down there. All right. Just for our YouTubers, the reason we are trading futures mostly now. And did Apex extend their sale, guys? Is that sale still going on? 80%? It is. So anyone who doesn't have a futures account open yet, you should. You can open up an account. I think it's $37 now. So you code WSGTA. It'll always give you the best sale. You got a little oil down there. So without much news coming out today, unless we get tweeted and stuff, well, we're still going to have a lot of volatility. We always do. All right, so we got 6,800 is our previous week high, and then 6,803 is a pivot point up in our ESs. Again, things look like maybe they'll start trend trades again today. We shall see. Okay. So it's $38 to open an account, but it refills at $88. So you want to just either pass it or cancel it before it expires. Let's see, David, for ES preferred the VWAP than the 200. Let's see. 6 and 1, half a dozen the other. So what Pancho is asking for everybody who is visiting and hanging out. All our technicals we use to tell us when to get into a trade or out of a trade. And it's all based on support and resistance. So right now we could be setting up for this little trend trade hanging on the 9 and the 15 EMA. Our 200 EMA, which we're going to make a trade-off, 99% of the time is down at 67.84. And our VWAP is about 82.50. So whenever we have two of these very close together, always just going to be more conservative and go to the lowest one. If we miss a trade, we miss a trade. But Pancho, that's why we're down on the VWAP. So, I mean, if you really wanted to, you could do 1 and 1. But whenever we have two things that are close together, I'm always going to be more conservative and go to the lower one. Whether we're looking at a stock, a future, or anything. So when we have two things close together, always be a little more conservative. Gold bouncing around. We still like our 82. What do we like on the short side of gold? Well, certainly 40.16, but I don't think we're getting up to that level. We'll see what happens with that. Our futures course is done, everybody. Just so you know, I think we're going to launch it by the end of this week. All right. We got some beta testing back. All the comments we got were really, really good. It's 6 hours long. Spectaculicious. For those of you who already own the course, it will replace the futures course that you have in there now. If anybody just wants to learn about futures, we are going to have a very special introductory offer for $299. It's going to include lifetime mentorship. And hopefully we'll have it launched by the end of this week. One-time payment. You never have to pay us again. You can do payment plans also for like $30 a month. So no excuse not to get that futures class and have lifetime mentorship with us. I'll let you guys know for sure. Everybody will get an email also. So if you're visiting this week and you don't care about options and stocks, just hang out, wait until we get that futures course all set up. And you'll be in Schaefer City. So kind of taking a chill pill right now. Relaxing. Not much to do. Any of our courses come with lifetime mentorship. Whatever you decide to do, it's all lifetime mentorship. You can't keep gold down right now. Probably like a double top in gold. We spike up there from last night, 400.1. Certainly 416. Let's leave that out just in case. Who the hell knows what's going to happen in this market? 400.16. No, Mike, you can't. 4,000. 4,016. Ventura Highway in the sun.
Dave, this is getting crazy to me.
I'm with you, man.
You agree?
Yeah, I own some UVXY. I got a bunch put away. Not recommending it to anyone, but I'm starting to load up on a bunch of these fear indexes. Cheap enough,
Yeah, you know what the key was, Dave? Like even, back in April when we had the whole tariff thing, and every time there's just so much freaking cash out there.
Yep, trillions.
It's unbelievable.
Trillions. So
I mean, these crypto markets just like
insane. 127,000. It's great.
Yeah, Ethereum's up. Ethereum was up like 4% yesterday. You know what I really watch are those treasury things, the Sailor thing, and then the Tom Lee thing.
Yep, BMNR has been on a roll again.
Yeah. And then AMD goes up, what, a massively big company goes
50
up
50 points.
Unbelievable. How about, I tell you what, check this out. SPRB. Okay, now go do a daily or whatever.
SPRB?
Yep, and do it daily.
Oh my God. Are you shitting me?
No, it's the biggest one I've ever seen.
What the hell is that?
It's a biotech company, and they got approval for something. And I do a lot of biotech stuff, and like my guy wasn't even invested in it because the float was so small. It was $5. It traded 358 this morning.
I don't even care if it's shortable, but I gotta look.
No, I'm trying right now. There's only 500. There's only a 500,000 float.
It can't be shortable.
No, it's not. I mean, I'm trying, and if it is, it's probably 800%. And do you really want to?
No, of course not. Absolutely not. I just got an order filled. What the hell did I have an order in?
I was screwing you up.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Don't have an order.
They've cured like every type of cancer, Scotty, and Alzheimer's and heart disease. It's like, holy shit.
I don't know what the hell I had an order in, but I flattened it out. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. I wish I woke up to one of them, huh? Unbelievable. That's insane. That will not end up well. They never do. All right, oil's coming our way a little bit. Like that 61.04 for shizzle, my whizzles. Previous day low. Anyone on YouTube, you want us to look at anything, please just type it in there. You have any questions? Do we trade options the same way as you do futures? Absolutely not, Frosty. Completely different ballgame. Completamente different. Just a different animal. So different ways to trade it. We do have 7 hours of options in our course also, though, just in case you want to learn about options. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. See if we can get the oil down around our levels. ES is quiet, but we're stretching a little bit now. Let's see if we can get up to that 6,800, 6,803. 6,800 first. So these are like little orders we have out now, subject to change. We got 45 minutes before the market opens. Let's see. I'm just checking it. See if we get anything else going on. What is the spread in this stock? I can't even put SPRB. It's only got an $8 spread. Yeah, it is not shortable. Not shortable in any way, shape, or form. Nice off the pivot point. Look at that, Mike. Just went down 20 points. Technicals work in anything. 20 points from the PP. Let's see, our 65 EMA is 84 now. So let's come up in gold to 84. We'll come up to our 65 EMA. That's down 12 points from here. Good for the opening or for how long it takes to get there. In the sun, the days are longer, the lights are stronger than you and I. How many people joining us on YouTube are not trading futures yet? Give me a one. Not trading futures yet. Give me a one. All right, we good in the S's or we want to come up a little bit? Ozzy, not yet. Oh, Ozzy, you're in the trading room. Okay. You'll get a big lesson on that this week. So if you're visiting for the week, you'll know how to by the end of the week. We have slow markets tomorrow night with Scotty. Thursday night. Yeah, like anybody who is waiting for the course, send me an email. Actually, a couple of things here, guys and girls. Let's do this, okay? If you're waiting for the new course, YouTube, or if you want to come in our trading room for the rest of the week for free and hang out with us, send me an email. When we finish up here at 10 o'clock or so, if I have an email from you, oh, tonight's Tuesday, that's right, slow markets tonight. If I have an email from you, I will get you into our private trading room for the rest of this week, including slow markets tonight. So anyone on YouTube, you want to send me an email, we'll get you into the trading room for the rest of this week. And we'll certainly get you going on futures. Thank you, Michael. Yeah, we just keep adding to it. Scotty, we got to talk because everybody is very confused now about the truck links. Too much stuff going on. It's all over the place. Roman's getting a bunch of emails. It's just very confusing as it is right now. We got to simplify it. Have one link that has everything in it because people are getting very confused. Dabishi. Ventura Highway in the sun. All right. Do we still like 6,800 or do we want to go to 6,803? That is the question. We'll be conservative for the opening. We'll go up to the 6,803. And yes, I have orders out. I will show you guys all of our orders right now. This is my interactive brokerage trading account. Yeah. All right. We got to get on the phone with Roman or something and make sure it's just easy for everybody and it has everything in it. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. So we put an order out on our pivot point. This is when something's going up, we're looking for resistance. So we have 67.97, 6,800, 6,803. So we'll go to the highest one, 6,803, and be more conservative in the ESs. We're going to probably come out. We'll stay where we are in the opening right now. Now we're going to come up. Let's come up to 84 because that is down more than 10 points now. Ventura Highway. Boom. So the orders that we have out, guys and girls, are if something happens. If we go down to the 200 EMA, we're going to get long. If we go up to our pivot point, we're going to get short. We don't do anything in between any of these levels. We wait for it to hit our levels. If it doesn't hit our levels, we wait. We look for different levels. We do not make any trades unless it hits one of our technicals. Wait till things open up. Let me get my orb set up. And we'll start with the 5-minute Orby. Where is my Orby? There it is. Boom, boom. 9:30, 5-minute. Boom, boom. Okay. We'll discuss the orb when 9:30 rolls around. It is an opening range breakout. We could look at 9:30. We could look at 9:45. The 15-minute orb, which we leave up all day. Let me look in gold. No, that is not right. Is it right? 39.84. Yeah, that's right. 39.84 and 40.16. 4,016. Is it right, guys? I think it's right. 4,016. Someone help me. Yeah, that's right. 4,016, Jermaine. Yep, I know. Well, that's our pivot point. We're chilling. Let things open. Be patient. I said there's not a heck of a whole lot going on anywhere else. Yep, AMD had that gigantic, what, to get up to $226 on Friday. 226, went down 20 points from there. And we can look for a trend trade in AMD. Pivot points are something that we put into our charts in Thinkorswim, Jay. It's just a setting that we put into our charts. All these things you see up here, James and everybody who's visiting, these are codes that we've built that tell us exactly where all of our technicals are. Tells us the spread in the stock, the ATR in the stock. We got the 5-minute orb on. So when I'm looking to get into a trade based on one of my moving averages, it just tells me where to go. Boom, boom, boom. So you can see our 65 EMA is now 85. So we're going to come up to that. Modify up. 85. And it just makes it really simple when we're looking to put orders out on our moving averages because it tells us what each one of them are. So in Thinkorswim, Jay, it's just a setting. You just go in here, studies, edit studies, and you find whatever you're looking for here. We recommend Thinkorswim for trading or TradingView. We have links for both Thinkorswim and for TradingView. Yeah, we're just doing a double top right now in gold. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. Oh, it hasn't worked yet. No, it might. What was it? 400, 4,001. Yeah, it gave you a couple points, a point anyway. Ooh, ESs are ripping here, guys. Yowza. All right, we're good at 68.03. Let's see if we get a spike and Dika up there. Chill it out, guys. Chill the wine. Dig that, girl. Gold looks like it's setting up for an early trend. ES looks like it's setting up for an early trend. This market is insane. It's just insane. Wackadoodle. Dust getting smacked a little bit. It's hanging out. I want to add more dust, so I'm long at 1020. I'll add it like 970. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. Crazy, man. It is euphoria in everything. I got to have everything. Morning, Felipe. All I know is you go broke trying to short this market. That is for shizzle, my whizzles. Oops. In the sunshine. Wackadoodle. All right. Well, let them settle in. What is the ES? Did we back off a little bit? Yeah, we'll give 68.03 another couple of minutes. The ESs. Ventura Highway. For a trade. Up chop goes gold, baby. Don't get in the way of that one. Wackadoodle. If anybody on YouTube is looking at anything or has any questions about anything that we're doing, everybody hang out. We'll give away some accounts later. It's so tempting to be short all these things, but it's just not the right thing to do. Not in any way, shape, or form. Let's see, our 65 EMA is now 87, so let's come up to 87. We're going to have to keep adjusting this. As this goes higher for the opening. Boom, chakalika. We only have a 73 RSI, so we're not stretched as far as being a far from moving average trade yet. Give the ESs another couple minutes here. And we're going to have to raise our bid in the ESs, MESs. We'll come up to 87 for the opening. No FOMO, guys and girls. Take a chill pill. I just found you all over the weekend, and I'm taking it all in. Yeah, just relax, Frosty. No hurry. Your price of gold is different from your. Do you have the right contract? We should be trading when we're trading the gold futures. We should be trading the Z contract, Z5. That's what we should be trading when you're trading the gold futures. Z5. So I'll show you on Apex. Gold is GCZ5. That's what we should be trading if you are trading the Futuramas. So what we'd like to see, guys and girls, is a pullback to our moving averages to get long. But we'll be patient early. I said there's no reason to run into anything right away. Let things set up. Do I use volume weighted average price as a criteria for trade direction or for trend? No, happy, but I'm not opposed to anyone using anything that works. We have no ego here. You should be journaling every single trade that you do. And if you're getting in trades based on volume weighted average, journal it. If it works, then certainly keep on doing it. For us to find trends, I'm just using my moving averages. When I'm looking to get into a trend trade, normal circumstances during the day, I'm looking to enter on my 9 and my 15 EMA. That's when I'm looking to enter into trend trades. Because if you look from early this morning, it has held this 9 and 15 EMA all morning. So if we could have, at 8 o'clock this morning, we could have gotten to the trend at 67.89. It's up 10 points already. So we're going to give this 03, it's only a 5-point move from now in the ESs. So I'm not even sure I'm crazy about the short side. We'll give this order another, 3 minutes. Otherwise, we'll just chill out in the ESs and let things set up.
Morning.
Good morning, Pietro. Go ahead, take it away. Hey, guys, before
Awesome.
Pete goes, let's just cancel the 68.03 for now and chill out.
Okay,
we were just talking about how insane this market is, but you'll go broke trying to short it.
Yeah, totally. Let's talk about it for sure. Yeah, but look, one of the things that we always talk about is don't think. That is it's your biggest counterintuitive thought process, because if you think the thought process would be this market can't keep going up in the eyes of everything that's going on. At the end of the day, it can go higher, right? And we're in the beginning of the fourth quarter. There's, as we discussed a number of times on this before, is what contributed to the market with all that was going on at the end of Q3. How could it still be trading at record highs with all the global stuff going on, the tariff stuff going on, the interest rate stuff going on, and then finally with the complete government shutdown, it's still going up. So now in the fourth quarter, we still have a government shutdown. Look, the bottom line is if it continues, it may start to impact the market a little bit, but so far it's not. Now, why is that happening? Lots of different reasons. First of all, we're seeing this incredible. We're in a big M&A space, right? Mergers and acquisition. Obviously, everybody hopefully saw what happened yesterday with OpenAI and with NVIDIA and with all these like incredible investments going on within the AI space, billions of dollars, right? Everybody's scratching everybody else's back. We saw at the end of last quarter, you saw Meta and Google and Microsoft and Oracle. That huge day in Oracle up 100 points that time was not a function of the earnings. It was a function of the commitment to the AI space and the AI revolution, right? We know that turned out that the SoftBank CEO of SoftBank, which is one of the companies they've got their hand in absolutely everything. They actually said that NVIDIA at this level, right? Think about it. David called NVIDIA 2023 February at $108. February 2024, it was trading at $900. It went to $1,200, split 10 for 1. It's now trading at $180. Even at this valuation, which is, is wild and frothy at best, the CEO of SoftBank thinks it's undervalued because of what the next 10 years look like in the AI space, in the necessity for data centers, in the necessity for chips, and all of this stuff. It's just going to be there trillions of dollars being committed by every big company into AI, and that's what's sort of fueling the market as well. So it's just, everybody's scratching everybody else's back. Big money is going after bigger money, and so that's one of the factors. Secondly, in the beginning of a quarter, right before we start to get earnings, you do have a big allocation by mutual funds, by people. Think about it. If you have a 401k or something, whoever's running it, those things, they start allocating money into the market in the beginning of a month, in the beginning of a quarter, and in the beginning of a month. So you're seeing a lot of fresh money come into the market there too. And for some reason, there's just really no particular reason to be shorting this market other than the fact that you feel like it can't go up any higher because it keeps going up day after day after day. That's not a good enough reason. So at the end of the day, we're seeing this huge breadth in lots of different sectors. You're seeing the market just look and think about what's going on also. Everybody is buying absolutely everything. Crypto trading at 125,000, Bitcoin, record high. Gold trading at 38, whatever, record high. The equity market, the Russell, small cap, mid cap, record high. So it seems like there's the return on investment that people are getting from this sort of immediate gratification by getting into the market is so vast and so fast that's why people are putting the money in the market. There's nowhere else to put your money that's going to get as quickly a return on investment. So those are just some of the reasons why the market is sort of going up in this sort of irrational, enthusiastic mode, right? But at the end of the day, once again, we don't really care. We're just trying to scalp the market, try and find trends, trying to find stocks that are dislocating from their last moving average, trying to find the trades that technical analysis offer us, right? We try not to think. We try not to really, risk money unnecessarily. We use stop orders on every trade, right? And we follow the rules. No matter what's happening in the world, in the markets, we follow David's rules really strictly. There is at no point, no matter what's going on in the market, do we deviate from we don't move the goalposts at all, right? We just hold steady. And that's where we are at the market right now. Let's see, where are we? So we're about a half an hour before the open.
Thank you, Pete.
No problem, Davey.
Well, guys, we got into oil, so let's just get out of this break even if we can. Went a little bit against us. 6104.
And everyone know that we're going to be live in Boca on the 21st of October. If you're in Florida or in the area, please come. It's me and David and BK Partners talking markets, volatility, futures. We got a little Apex thing going on there. So if you are in Florida near Boca, if you're not, drive there, hitchhike, join us.
Guys in oil, just have like a 95 stop. Keep it nice and tight. Bump, 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 bump. Don't mind losing 6 cents. Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than you survive. All right, we're out at 95 in oil. So we only lost 8 cents. Keep to the stops, guys and girls. Bum, 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 bum. Good out in oil, guys. Keep your stops.
Just to give everybody a little more of a recap of what this big huge deal that happened yesterday is. So AMD signed a mega chip deal with OpenAI, right? Which is wild. So, it's very funny. Everybody's sort of getting involved in everybody else's business. They're trying to lock down, right, accessibility to these chips, right? There are only a few companies, right? NVIDIA being one of them, AMD, who actually have the capacity to make chips, to produce chips. And so everybody who's in this whole space wants to lock down accessibility to these things and sort of shut everybody out. It's a bit of a monopolistic thing, which in the old days was not a cool thing to do, but at this point nobody really cares. So everybody's got their hand in this thing. So the AMD, the OpenAI deal is big. That's coming off the back of all this Intel deal, off of the NVIDIA deal, so David and I saw this back in the 80s and 90s. There was a period of time where people just started merging with each other just to protect and keep all the newcomers out so that they could really control access to a lot of to big tech and stuff. Obviously, AI wasn't around back in the 80s and 90s, but this is the new flavor of the moment. This is a major revolution going on here, and everybody wants to hop on board. So when you have massive companies like AMD, and partnering up with OpenAI and NVIDIA, these valuations, we've never seen them historically. So it's a big deal. And look, and you're going to start to see some volatility. I know we're talking about trading futures and whatnot, but you know what? These names also, if anybody's out there trading equities, these names are probably going to be moving pretty big.
Thank you, Pete. All right, let's go through our orders, guys, again and adjust. All right, gold. Let's see where we are. Yowza. All right, we like our 16 in gold for shizzle my whizzles. There's some kind of news in oil that's making it spike down like this, so let's just stay away for now. Let it do its thing. Almost got down to 60.80. Take a chill pill. $60.40 in oil. Let's put that out. If we spike all the way down there, $60.40. Like that. Boom, chaka laka laka. Pum, 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 pum. Okay. ES's just missed that 03. So let's be at 92 for the opening now. 92. That'll still be a 10-point pullback. Chaka-laka-laka.
David, I'm going to bop over to IG and send some people over. I'll see you in a little bit.
Gotcha. All good, my friend. Welcome back, my friend, to the show that never ends. How did I get short oil? I must have left something out there. $61.03. Oh, I left an order out on myself from the original. Yeah. Duh. All right. What time is it? 9:12. Okay. So where are we? 67.92 is good. Just missed that 03. And gold. Okay, we're at 16. Where do we want our buy side in gold? Let's adjust that a little bit. 97. Nah, we'll go 65 EMA. 93. For And gold absolutely ripped up. All right, let me get the right. 39.93 in gold. Oh, all right. Whatever that was in gold. Nonsense. Yowza. Just went up 60 cents. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. All right. Anybody got anything else they're looking at? Please let us know. YouTube, anybody? One of my ES tools told me to get short at session high. It still means to get short. Nobody cares if anybody did anything without us, guys and girls. We missed the 03. We're chilling out. Taking a chill pill. Relaxing. Pum, 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 pum. Bum, 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 bum. Got a few at 6,800. That's a nice story, Vince. The early trend is 94. And we're down on our 65 EMA. So let's just be patient. Take a chill pill. I know you posted it early this morning. All right, I'm just going to fill my coffee. Back in 5 minutes. Orders are all good. If anybody sees something, say something. BRB. All right, guys, we want the 93 on this pop down if we're going to do it. Otherwise, we will go down to 88. 88. I don't know what that pullback was in oil, but we are just ripping right back up now. Like it never happened. Gold ripping. Ventura Highway. Can't do a trend trade in the oil because we have no idea what that down move was about. So take a chill pill. Gold is just rippling. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. Flat balance now. All right, good. $67.85 for the ESs. Yeah, I think we're going to take a little chilly on the opening. Let them come in. I'm with you. 67.85. Be patient. Doesn't hurt to be patient on the opening. Let them set up, guys and gals. Let them set up. What's gold doing? Coming in a little bit. Where are we in gold? 93. Yeah, I like gold 93. Well, listen, gold 88 is our 65 EMA. I like the 93 for the opening. That's fine. Leave it out small, guys and girls. Keep everything tiny on the opening. Be in a hurry here. In the air. RTY. Let's take a look. Uh, 25.18 double top. I like that previous day high. Absolutely. Works for me. Let me just grab my coffee. I'll be right back. Everybody just be patient on the opening. Relax. All right, let's get ready to rock and roll. 67.85 in the ESs. Okay, yeah, we're good. 85.25, we're good at 85. It's fine. What are we doing in gold? Nothing, no pullback. Good. Oil. Hanging. Boom, 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 boom. Patience, everybody, patience. Good morning, Regine. Good morning, everybody. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. Ain't gonna be no pullback. YouTubers, I will get you your link before we get out of here for the room. Chill a wine, dig that girl. Be patient, let them open. Let's come up to 85.50 on this, so we don't miss it by 5 cents. All right, Scotty, all good. Let them ring. Let freedom ring. In the sunshine. Patience, patience, patience. They're off. Yes, coming in a bit. Very little bit. Patience, guys and girls. Patience, patience, patience. Yeah. Oil's hanging. Don't like that anywhere. It's only even a 20-cent move up to the 200 EMA. So chill it out. In the sun. And gold's coming in a little bit. Palantir, I'll get the stocks in a couple of minutes. All right, gold, where we're going, 93. Yeah, I like gold at 93. Get there. And we got 90 below that. If anyone's got anything else, please pop it up there. Anything that you're looking for. Let's look at AMD. Let's look at Palantir. AMD spiked all the way up to 218, kind of just sitting now. Palantir spiked up to 181, kind of just sitting now. So we got our 5-minute orbs up right now. So we're getting any breakouts of those. I don't know what the hell that nonsense was in oil. Whack. That was it for the pullback. I just missed our 30 EMA down there, but didn't quite hit it. So we're kind of just flopping around here, guys and girls. Doing much of anything. Ventura Highway. Anybody see something? Say something. Boom, 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 boom. Gold's coming in a little bit. Still like the 93 in gold. I left something out somewhere. I don't know where. Patience, guys and girls. Be patient. MYM. All right. Stretch to the top of the orb. Let's go to a 15-minute orb now. Don't force anything on, guys and girls. It is what it is. Oops. What the hell did I leave out? Oh, I left out something in oil. Yep, I got it. Now we're on the 15-minute. See if we get anything. Gold, let's look. All right. Well, we just missed the 93 by a little bit. We got to 94.40. So let's go 90. 65 EMA. That would have been nice if we got that, right? Missed the 93. Be patient. Ventura Highway. Anyone on YouTube see something? Say something. What are the margin requirements for futures trading? In a regular trading account, like in Interactive Brokers, one ES contract is like $30,000. I'll show you right now. Oh, we're not doing anything. So let's see. We'll start with gold. One gold contract is $22,400. This is in a regular trading account. This is why we don't do it. This is why we trade Apex. One E-mini contract is $24,400. So there's no reason to ever trade them in your real account. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Bum, 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 bum. We are dead, guys and girls. It's the bottom line. Kind of sitting in nowhere's land, not doing much of anything in anything. So we be patient. Nothing we can do about nothing. We relax. Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer. Anyone see any stocks moving or anything? I don't see much of anything moving right now. So we're on a 15-minute orb now. See if we can get any breakouts or breakdowns and anything. Gold's coming in again. Anybody in the room like anything higher in gold? We good at 90? It's 89.90. I still like 90 if we can spike down there. I think we got some Fed speak coming up at 10 o'clock. I got some of your emails, guys and girls, on YouTube. I will send you the link to the room as soon as we finish, guys. Yeah, I mean, I like that, Scotty. 100%. Again, if you missed my email, guys and girls, and we'll give away some accounts before we get out of here. Hopefully we get a couple of trades. Send me an email there, guys and girls. I'll get you into the trading room for the rest of this week. My YouTubers. Ventura Highway. And ESVWAP, let's look. And previous day. I like the ESVWAP and 65 EMA. Yeah, I love it. I don't think we're getting it. But let's come up to that. 90. 67.90. It's good, Harry. Boom, chakalaka laka. Ventura Highway. Gold might be breaking out. I mean, oil. See if we can get above that 5 minute, 15 minute, but not a lot of volume. Yep, gold's coming in. And not. Joey put the kibosh on it. We still like 90 if we get down there. 90 and then 84 below that, but we'll give 90 a couple minutes. Everything's kind of just sitting in the middle of nothing. Let's look at some stocks. NYM's pulling back a little bit. AMD sitting in the orb. App could be looking to break out of the orb, but we're not going to trade that piece of crap anyway. BMNR, nice pullback. Ooh, do we like BMNR, guys, at 63.40 small? Down $2? Take a look.
It's a good question, Dave. I think so, yeah.
I'll give it a shot.
Yeah, I mean,
63.40.
Ethereum just got trounced.
You got 63.40 and 63.20, so
okay,
we'll do it small. Well, 63.30, see if it holds that level. What's the ATR in this thing? 40 cents? All right. So if we smack down, we'll risk $40 on the trade. We do it on this pop down. Ventura Highway.
Dave, I got a 63.08 fib, but I don't mind your numbers.
Thanks to there. I mean, lots to do that. Physical lab.
Let's do this.
You hear me?
Their GLQ.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do
I
both.
don't mind your numbers. Just watch Ethereum. It's getting hit.
But it's just bouncing.
Both small, 63.30 and 63. What is the other one? 63.01. Did you say, Mike?
08 I have.
We'll do both. Small. 30 and 10. On this pop down. Gold bounced a little bit. Yeah. I still like gold at 90 if we go in that direction. There's nothing going on, guys and girls. Palantir. What we doing, Palantir? What'd you bank? Bank. Well, that was a beautiful breakout of the 5 minute orb. If anybody doing any trades anywhere in anything, YouTube, here, post your trades before you get in them so we can go take a look. Okay? This way we're all trading together. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. One thing we are not going to do, guys and girls, is trade just to trade. Not going to happen. It's garbage. We can cancel 60.40 in oil. Well, almost got the orb break. Not quite. Ventura Highway. In the sunshine. I got sunshine. It's cold outside. Yeah, it's garbage right now. This market sucks. I mean, stinks. We'll short some oil if we get up to 62.21. Yeses are doing nothing. Gold's doing nothing. Only thing moving right now is oil. All right, we're in a little BMNR at 30. Sell some at 50, guys. If we get there. Sold some at 50. Let's see if we can get 50 cents up at like 79, 76. And we'll still add down lower. In the end, great spot in BMMR for a couple bucks, guys and girls. Mike, we still like the 08?
I think so.
And that's saying just.
I'll watch the, I just want Ethereum, the future, to stay above 4,700.
In terms of other.
I know it's kind of hard to do both, but.
Look at how some of those are doing. I had
Ripping. I mean, oil. Gold is ripping again to the upside also. All right, we're going to give the 6310 another minute or two here in BMNR. Any shorts in gold? No, not until we get up to our level. Look at that bounce off the frickin' 30 EMA, guys. 7 points. Do we like the short on the top of the orb? 05? I don't know. Take a chill pill. In the sunshine. We got garbage. Do we like the ESs still? Is the question. Yeah, we still like that if we spike down fast. Nah, Pete. Did everyone get a little trade off the BMNR at least? Those of us who are stock trading. Little trade. Better than a sharp stick in the eye. We're trying to break out of the Orby. But not doing anything. All right, ES, is this pop down, guys and girls? Can spike it down to 90. A little trade. We got 86 below that. Dun, dun, dun. All right, ES is coming our way a little bit here. Bum, bum, bum. Anybody in the room got anything, guys? See if we can get this 90 on this pop down. Otherwise, we're going down to 86, guys and girls. So, patience. YM. Ooh, just missed a 200 EMA. Might have even tickled it down there, Jermaine. See what Jermaine was looking at? He posted it, but I think it just missed 40. Got to 47. Just missed. That would have been a nice 20-point trade. So for everybody in YouTube, here was our 200 EMA, which we're going to make a trade off 99% of the time. And it missed it by 5 points, went up 20 points. BMNR just gave a buck. He's still trailing a little bit.
Dave, what was your level there? Remember? What was 30?
63.30.
Yeah, no, what was it like? I can't even, let me look.
It
Is it
was
a
on
9?
200 EMA at the time.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see it. Nice call. Good catch.
200 on the 5-minute.
Hey, you didn't get my AMD thing, did you?
I did not see it.
Yeah, I posted it. Shit.
Short?
Yeah.
Where do we want to buy it? It's coming in
Yeah, it's a good
nicely.
question.
65 EMA is 212.10. I like that. Down $2 from here. I don't like that. The spread is good too. And the ATR is $1, but I like that level. Risk $100 if we get down there. 212.10. All right, I'm liking this ES less and less. It's not really a big move to get to our level now, is it? It's only 4 points, so let's wait. Let's put out the 200 EMA 86. Yeah, and I like the ESs if we get down there. We can do ESs down there. Chill it out, man. Again, no news, no nothing, so gotta just relax. Can you ask Apex to get rid of the trade? Yeah, I'm boozy. I'm all over it. Since we started with them, I've been trying to get them to do that.
But guess what? It is still working. It didn't work because I didn't give it the appropriate risk. And oh boy, he had too short. This is just grinding to the downside. But is it Elliot?
How come dust is up and gold is up?
Getting knocked out. Keep getting knocked out. This is Sean. This is all the way from.
Anyone get my tweet, guys, to get into the dust at 1020 last week?
A $2 flush on a sub $10 stock. Absolutely wild. I'm so grateful that I get to participate in this kind of market.
The PMs that did.
And even though I'm not participating,
Look, 40 cents is a good starting point to take some off if we get 1060.
it's such great learning.
Big move.
Like, okay, these are things that I can go back home and study and be like, okay, well, there was a reason why this was up. Why did this do this? And then we kind of
What do we got news coming out?
push through pre-market high. Below that 6.8 VWAP hold.
10 o'clock. You mean Fed speak, maybe?
So maybe the entry is not even messing around in the steps.
Yeah, Fed speak. Bostic, 10 o'clock.
Not even messing around on the back to the low.
Bostic.
Around in and around VWAP, but taking the breakdown doesn't look back in and around that 6.8. Again, stuff like that. That's what I'm watching. And oh boy, wow.
Dripping again to the upside.
Back in here on AMD.
Oil sitting on the top of the orb.
So nice little reversion to VWAP on that stall. 214 reserve. Man, the tape.
All right, ladies and gents, I got nothing, man. Yes, Trump's meeting with the Canadian Prime Minister.
There on that one, a great opportunities on that one, and it's very clear. The tape is very, very clear on.
Hard to be patient and disciplined, isn't it?
When we were swimming in the blue ocean, I was like, the tape is so clear, dude. I like.
Yeah, we would do the 6803 double top.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. I only have to do that. Yeah, for sure. For sure. All right. Good.
All right, Philippe. There's not much to do, man. Not right now. Oh, gosh.
So the thing is, it's somewhat illiquid, right? It's somewhat
Ventura Highway.
If someone shows up on the book, or if there's no liquidity, like
I got it, Tanya. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Again, guys and girls, we'll give away some accounts, guys, in YouTube in a few minutes. And you want to come hang out for the rest of the week, here's my email. It doesn't cost anything. Chaka-laka-laka. Yeah, I'll give it a little bit, guys and girls. Everybody relax. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Man, this is garbage. Cancel the MES. Let's go double top 6803 in the ESs, MESs. Chaka-laka-laka. What the sad part is too, we're starting to lose volume already. rain's coming, the night's on. Just cancel this BMNR for now, guys and girls. AMD, nothing. Get down with APP, yeah, you know me. Dust. NVIDIA, 80 RSI. Yowza. NVIDIA is a trend trade, guys and girls. We can get a pullback to the top of the euro, 187.20. That is a trender. I don't like trading NVIDIA because the ATR is 40 cents. It's not worth it. It ain't worth it. You gotta have that one drawdown in oil. Otherwise, we would have been in Schaefer City in that thing too. I don't know what the hell that was about. Kind of far from moving average trade. NQ double top. Let's take a look. Yeah, I would try that too. Horrible. Horrible action, guys and girls. Ventura Highway. In this, what was Mike's crazy stock? What was that one? SPRB. Kind of calm right now. TMQ calm down. Whatever that crazy mofo was. Well, like I said, there's not a lot of news. So there's not a heck of a whole lot going on. What are we going to do? Losing trade in oil, winning trade in BMR. Just hang a late. RTY is coming down a little bit. What'd you doing at? Well, let's leave our ESs out just in case at 86, right? Maybe we spike down 7 points. Laka laka. Ventura Highway in the sunshine. Days are longer. Yep, Fed speaks coming up, so no reason to be aggressive in anything at the moment. But we'll leave the 86er. If it goes fast, because you never know with Fed speak. We are really dead. All right, here's what we're going to do. Guys and gals, let me just make sure I got some accounts to give away. And then you guys, if you want, just switch over and I'll get you guys into the trading room from boot camp, from YouTube. Let me just see. Trials. Okay, I'll tell you who I got so far. I got a DG. I got an Abdullah. I got Henrietta. Richard. Oh, Richard's in already. Got Brian. Mike. Gregory. Radio. Ray. Eric. Ed. Lorenzo. Michael. I know. Oh, you got it already. Okay. All right. I'm going to fill my coffee. Put my email in here one more time. Still want to pop over to the trading room. If anyone's going to open up any accounts with Apex, use WSGTA. All right, coming in a bit here. Let's see. Yeah, and the yeses. Send me an email if you want to come hang out in the private trading room for the rest of the week, Leo. Yeah, we're just sitting here. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Sitting on the dock of the bay. I like where we're sitting, guys and girls. We are not in a hurry. Let's hang out for a couple minutes, see if we get a further pullback from here. No pullback in gold. RTY. Let's take a look, JR. Whoa. What do you got? 24.96 is it 200? I think we just hit it. Nah, missed it by a point. Missed it by that much. Good call, though, JR. Got a nice bounce. No, not really, not yet. The whole market's coming in pretty good here, guys and girls. So let's take a chill pill for a minute. Except for gold. Let's see if we get the ESs on this pop down. We held 90 for a point. Cancel a short for now. Cancel a short in gold for now. Chill. I'm going to give this ES another minute or two here to see if we get this spike of wacka. This bopper, we get a bounce. I don't like it. Hanging around this 90 level. And I do not like that green bar, you piece of dog crap. All right, let me make sure I have accounts to give away. Let me send a little texter to my man. Yeah. All right. Cancel. 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 Everybody take a 5-minute break, guys. Relax. We got nothing. We'll regroup when we get back and put some orders out. Take the long way home. All right. Everybody stretch out for a minute or two. YouTubers, I'm finding out. I'm sure I have accounts to give away. So everybody hang out. We'll give away 10 accounts. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Back in 5 minutes. Yeah, all right, everybody. What happened? 67.90 was perfect. Yeah, but it came close. It bounced above it. It went above it. It gave a couple points. Gold, 85. Let's put that out. I like it. Gold, let's leave that out there. 39.85. Boom, chakalaka laka. And ES is 83. Okay, put that. 67.83. Boom. Oil doing anything? Why is oil CLZ? Guys, get my shit together here. ES trend trade. No, we're sitting in the middle of everything. MBT far from moving average. I'd have just given you a little bit of one down there. Looks like it just did, Nick. A little bit, but it's been giving some fake outs all day, so. Eh. Gold's coming in a little bit. ES is coming in a little bit. See if we break this little thing that we're in right now. Boom, 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 boom. Not touching oil. I mean, I like a double bottom in oil, but that's about it. I don't know what that was up at 62. All right, ladies and gents, I am going to post something in YouTube. Okay. This is the email you have to send it to claim your free account. Everybody write it down. Do not email me. Write that down. I'm going to give everybody a minute. Write it down. Give me some ones when everybody has written down that email. And we're going to give away 10 accounts. Do not email me. You have to send an email there, and Roman will send you the account. Do not email me. Once again. Ozzy, this is for only my YouTubers. If you're in YouTube. If you are in YouTube. All right, here we go, guys and girls. Send an email there. The first winner is, and just tell me if you're here. Catherine Leo is winner number 1. Catherine Leo, are you here? Catherine Leo. Catherine Leo, if you hear your name, there you go. Send an email. Boom, winner number 1. Winner number 2 is Mr. or Mrs. Boozy Stop Loss. Are you here, Boozy Stop Loss? Mr. Boozy Stop Loss or Mrs. Boozy Stop Loss. Boozy Stop Loss going once. Boozy Stop Loss going twice. Is here. Winner number 2. Winner number 3 is Brenda Webster. Brenda, are you here? Winner number 3, Brenda Webster. Brenda Webster going once. Brenda Webster going twice. Brenda Webster going 3 times. Brenda Webster, you're out. Our next winner is Becca. Are you here, Becca? Winner number 3, Becca, are you here? Becca is here. Boom, send that email. Winner number 4, going back to someone who was hopefully here this morning, early in the morning, David Skinner. Are you here, David Skinner? People have been with us the longest. Dennis Skinner is here. Boom, chakalaka. Winner number 4. Winner number 5 is Carol. Carol, are you here? Carol, can you hear me? Can you hear me near you? Oh, Carol. Oh, Carol. Oh, Carol. Got you, Scotty. Carol going once. Carol going twice. Bye-bye, Carol. Our next winner is Trades by Jay. Are you here, Trades by Jay? Are you here? Brenda, did I call you? Trades by Jay, are you here? Trades by Jay going once. Trades by Jay going twice. Trades by Jay is gone. Our next winner is going to be Boozy Stop Loss. Are you here, Boozy Stop Loss? Boozy Stop Loss, Boozy Stop Loss. Boozy Stop Loss, Boozy Stop Loss. Boozy Stop Loss is here. You are winner number 5. Winner number 6 is Henrietta Luang. Henrietta Luang, are you here? Henrietta. Henrietta, I see you. Acknowledge. Acknowledge, please. All right, you are a winner. Our next winner is Barrett E. Barrett E, are you here? Barrett E. You're welcome, Henrietta. Barrett E. Barrett E. Barrett E is here. Boom. 2 more. And guys and girls, I'll do this every Monday and Friday. Okay. I also have about 20 of you on the list to come into the trading room. All right. The trading room will be much, much, much better than getting a free account. I can tell you that right now, guys and girls. 50 times better than getting a free account for $37. Our next winner is Triple XX. Triple XX, are you here? Triple XX. Triple XXXXXXXXX. Yeah, guys, we are working on a link to get one link for everybody. Everybody's very confused. This is for my private trading room. Everybody is very confused about the multiple links that we have. It's going to be fixed by the end of today. Scotty's going to work with Roman to have one link that puts everything on it. That'll be the only link that we have in there. Okay, we'll get that straightened out today. All right, our last winner. Yeah, exactly, Scotty. We'll get it straightened out today. Our last winner is going to be boom, 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 for today. And we'll have more next week. Okay. It's going to be Jingesh. I'll talk about that in a minute. KD Trader, are you here, KD Trader, for our last winner for today? KD Trader, are you here? KD Trader. Boom. All right, you are the last winner. I'll post the email that you send it to one more time. And I know who I picked, so don't send if you didn't win. This is for the winners. Okay. And to get in the private trading room for the rest of the week, you got one more chance before we get out of here. Send me an email. All right, guys and girls. YouTubers, I'll see a bunch of you in about 10 minutes. Give me 15, 20 minutes to get everybody in there. Okay. And we'll see everybody again on Friday. We'll be back on Friday, live in real time. All right. So we'll see everybody Friday, and I'll see a bunch of you in the trading room. All right, guys and girls. Wish we had more action trading today, but it is what it is. We are out of here like Vladimir. Peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. See my YouTubers, a bunch of you in the trading room. Over and out.